Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really getting into a topic that's reshaping things, especially if you're a teenager thinking about your future career.
That's right. We're talking about artificial intelligence and its impact on jobs.
Exactly. We've looked at some material that explores this, the challenges, but also the new opportunities.
Hmm.
So our mission today is to unpack the key insights from this info, giving you a clearer view of what AI means for work now and down the road.
Yeah, it's about understanding how the landscape is actively shifting.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. How are we defining AI here, based on the material?
Well, essentially, it's machines or computer systems doing tasks that usually need human thinking.
Like what kind of tasks?
Things like learning from data, solving problems, even, writing stories or creating images, that sort of thing.
Got it. So it's more than just simple automation.
Yeah.
And why are companies adopting it so fast? The material mentioned.
Efficiency, mainly. And scale. AI is smart. It can work 24/7, doesn't need breaks.
Hmm.
So it helps companies save time, cut down on errors, and yeah, save money.
Okay, which brings us to maybe the concerning part first. The sources highlight AI replacing some jobs,
Yeah, that's definitely a major point. And it's not just theoretical, we see it now.
like the self-checkout machines.
Exactly, taking over for cashiers. And the material suggests, looking ahead, things like delivery drivers might be impacted by, say, robots or drones.
Right, and that hits those entry-level part-time jobs teenagers often look for.
Precisely. That first step onto the work ladder, it might look different or be harder to find in some traditional areas.
Okay, so that's one side. But it's not all doom and gloom, right?
Mhm.
The material also talks about AI creating jobs,
Definitely. It's a creator, too. Entirely new roles are popping up because of AI.
such as,
Well, designing the AI systems, building them, fixing them when they go wrong, jobs in tech, obviously.
and data too, right? Figuring out what all the information AI gathers actually means.
Yes, data analysis is huge. And even new types of creative work, maybe working with AI tools.
Interesting. So what does this mean for skills? What should teenagers focus on according to the sources?
It points to a mix. Technical skills are important, like getting some basic coding knowledge, understanding computer science fundamentals.
But not just tech skills.
No, not at all. Maybe even more important are the skills machines, well, they struggle with. Critical thinking is a big one.
Being able to analyze information, question things.
Yeah, and solve new problems, situations AI hasn't been explicitly trained for.
And what about like the human interaction side?
Crucial. The sources really emphasize teamwork, communication, collaboration, the ability to work well with other people.
Skills AI can't fake.
Pretty much. That genuine connection, working together creatively, that's still very human.
So if you're a teenager listening, what's the actionable advice here? What steps can you take?
Okay, a few key things. First, start learning skills that are hard for AI to copy. That tech foundation, yes, but also those thinking skills.
And practice the human skills.
Absolutely. Get involved in group projects, maybe join a club focused on creativity or teamwork, anything that involves collaborating.
Makes sense. Build those muscles.
And the last piece of advice, maybe the biggest, stay curious. Be open to change.
Because the job market won't stand still.
Exactly. Adaptability is going to be, well, essential.
So wrapping this up, our deep dive suggests AI is definitely changing the job market. Fewer jobs in some areas, yes, but new ones emerging elsewhere.
Right. And the key seems to be preparing for that change. Building skills that complement AI, not compete directly with it where it excels.
It's about adapting, focusing on that blend of tech, thinking, and uniquely human abilities.
Precisely. Understanding the changes and getting ready to thrive in that new landscape.
Okay, so considering how fast AI keeps evolving, moving beyond even what we've talked about, here's a final thought for you. What unique human skill, maybe one we didn't even focus on today, do you think will become surprisingly crucial in the job market 10 years from now? Something to ponder.